Hello students, greetings to all. Now I am going to give a small introduction about slicing in Python. Let us move on to the PPT. What is slicing? A slice object is used to specify how to slice a sequence. You can specify where to start the slicing and where to end. You can also specify the step which allows you to. Example, slice only every other item. This is the syntax of slicing. Slice, start, end, step. There are three parameters we used in slicing. First parameter is start. It is an optional one. An integer number specifying at which position to start the slicing. The default value is 0. The next parameter is end. An integer number specifying at which position to end the slicing. The third parameter is step. It is also optional. An integer number specifying the step of the slicing. Default is 1. What is meant by list slicing? List slicing is an operation that extracts a subset of elements from a list and packages of another list. We can get a sublist from a list in Python using slicing operations. Syntax for list slicing. List name. Two operators we used, start and stop. In that another syntax, I used three parameters, list name followed by start, stop and step. The default start value is 0. Default stop value is n-1. If you are using colon, it will print the entire list. If you are using n:n, will create an empty list. This is an example for list. List 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It should be arranged in an array format. List of 0 assigned as 0. List of 1 assigned to 1. List of 2 assigned to 2. List of 3 assigned to 3. List of 4 assigned to 4. List of 5 assigned to 5. This is the first example. List of 0 colon. What it will display? 0 to 5. That is all the elements displayed in the given numbers. List colon. This is also the same syntax of 0 colon. This will display all the numbers from 0 to 5. If I am using list 2 colon 4, it shows only that second number and fourth number. The second number is 2 and the third and fourth number is 3. Another example, list 1 is to 3. It shows 1, 2. If I am given list colon 4, it shows 0, 1, 2, 3. Let us move on to that positive and negative index in slicing concept. Python programming language, it supports positive as well as negative indexing of list, which is not available in most other programming languages. We can access the elements of an array by going through their indices. This means the index value of -1 gives the last element and -2 gives the second last element of an array. The negative indexing starts from where the list ends. This means that the last element of the array is the first element in the negative indexing, which is -1. So what is mean by negative indexing? Python allows it negative indexing for its sequence. The index of -1 refers to the last item, -2 to the second last item, and so on. For example, here I gave my list equal to 5 characters I had given. If I want to display the characters, here I used print my list of -1, print my list of -5. So what will be the output? The output is -1 means this is the negative number. So we have to take from at the backward directions. So S will be the output for the first example. P is the output for the second example. A list of string also here I had given. My list is equal to, here I had given 4 different strings. print my list of -1, print my list of -3, and print my list of -4. So what will be the output for the given code? The first output is bye, and the second output is world, and third output is hello. Also, here I had given a list of numbers. Here I had given array, 5 numbers. Here I had given 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. If I want to print array 1, array of -1, print array of -2. What will be the output means? 20, 50, 40. Here I had given several examples for slice concept. In the first example, a of 0 is to 3. What is it? A of 0 is to 3. From that array, I have to take 9, 8, 7 because here I am going to take 3 numbers only. So this will printing a part of a list from 0 to 2. In that second example, a of colon 4. What is it? A of colon 4. Here default start value is 0. So print from 0 to 3. A of 1 colon. A of 1 colon means it's the default stop value will be n minus 1. So it will print 1 to 5. A of colon, it shows the entire list. A of 2 colon 2, it will print an empty slice. A of 0 colon 6 colon 2, it will slice the list values with the step size 2. If I am using A colon colon -1, it will return the reverse of given list values. I hope you understand the slicing concept.